In this video, we'll show you how to get shaders with OptiFine. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to turn those blocky landscapes into something with realistic lightings, waving trees, and beautiful water, shaders are the way to go. OptiFine is basically the classic tool that makes this all possible. So if you're looking to give your game a cinematic makeover while actually helping it run a bit smoother, I'll show you exactly how to set it up. Alright, so first we need to head over to the official OptiFine website. You can type in optifine.net or just search it on Google, OptiFine downloads, and this website will appear at the top. So once you're here, you want to go to the download section, just click downloads at the top, and then you'll see the most recent stable version at the top. But if you're playing on an older version of the game, you can click show all versions and just scroll down and find the right one. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Apex Hosting makes everything way easier since you don't have to deal with poor forwarding or complicated files. So you can manage everything from one control panel and your server runs 24/7 without relying on your own PC. Once you click the link below, just scroll down and select your server RAM. For example, 6GB is great for some mod packs. Click order, and then you can complete your setup by choosing a server version. They have everything from vanilla to specific modded projects like Cobbleverse and Better Minecraft. And then select a server location close to you and finish your order, and you're good to go. You'll get an email to log into your panel where you can find your IP address to share with your friends. Once you find your version, just click download. It'll bring you to an ad page. Just wait a bit and then click skip at the top right and then hit download. Save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save. Alright, now we need the actual shader packs to install. And for this, we're heading over to CurseForge. You can go to curseforge.com or you can type in CurseForge on Google and this website will appear. Once you're here, you want to go to the Minecraft section. Just click Minecraft. And then you want to click Browse All. And on the left, just check Shaders. You'll see a bunch of shaders you can download and install. So for example, let's download this complimentary. You can click on it to go to its page. And then to download it, go to the Files tab and download the latest version that's compatible to your Minecraft version. So click the three dots and hit Download File. Save it somewhere in your PC, hit Save, and the download should start. After you finish downloading, you'll have the shader packs and the OptiFine installer. Now you're going to install OptiFine first. It's in a jar file, so to open it, you'll need Java installed on your PC. If you don't have it, you can go to java.com and then click download Java for desktop and download and install the latest Java on your PC. Once you've done that, you can right click on the installer and then open with, choose another app, select Java from the list, and hit always. It'll open up the installer, but before you click install, make sure you close your Minecraft launcher. So just close that and hit install. It'll say that OptiFine is successfully installed. Click OK, and then you can open up your Minecraft launcher again. And now inside the Minecraft launcher, you'll have OptiFine profile on the bottom left. So just click on it and make sure it's the correct version that you just installed. Just select that, and then to install the shader packs, you want to go to the installations tab, look for your OptiFine profile, and hit the folder icon to open the installations folder. Now here, what you're looking for is a folder called shader packs. Just open it up, and this is where you put all of your shader packs. So let's go ahead and do that. Just drag and drop the shader packs zip file into the shader packs folder on your Minecraft installation folder. So just like that, and that's done. Now let's launch Minecraft. Hit play. Once you're in the game, just hop into single player and load your world. Alright, we're in the game now. To apply the shader packs, you can press escape on your keyboard to open the menu and then go to options, video settings, and if you install everything correctly, you'll have a tab called shaders. Just click on it and here you'll see the shader packs you installed. Just click on it, it'll freeze up for a bit because it's loading, and after that's done, you can go back, hit done, and there we go. The shader packs is installed with OptiFine. And that's it, your Minecraft world will look absolutely beautiful. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.